Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. So today we are going to start a new chapter whose name is air. In this chapter we will talk about air, its properties and some uses. So let's get started without wasting a minute. So today's topic is air. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एयर, वायु। इस टॉपिक में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि एयर क्या है, इसके कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ेंगे, साथ साथ इसके कुछ यूजेस भी पढ़ेंगे। राइट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज एयर। एयर क्या है? एयर क्या है? फर्स्ट लेट मी राइट ऑन द बोर्ड व्हाट इज एयर। एयर इज द mixture of different gases. Air is the mixture of different gases. What I have written on the board? Air is a mixture of different gases. Air जो है वो अलग अलग गैसों का क्या है? मिक्सचर है, एक मिश्रण है। Let me make you understand what I have written on the board. Air is a mixture of different gases. First we will understand what do I mean by mixture. Mixture का मतलब क्या है? Mixture means when two or more than two different things are kept together, or combined together, or put together. That's called mixture. जब यह दो या दो से अधिक चीजों को हम लोग साथ में मिला के रखते हैं तो उसको हम लोग मिक्सचर कहते हैं। Sorry for disturbance. So air is the mixture of different gases. Mixture means when two or more than two different things are kept together. That's called mixture. जब दो या दो से अधिक अलग अलग चीजों को हम लोग एक साथ रखते हैं तो उसको हम लोग एक मिक्सचर बोलते हैं। Right? So I have written here, air is the mixture of different gases. Now we will talk about what are these different gases. अब ये different gases हैं क्या? Air is a mixture of different gases. So now we will talk about different gases that makes air. हम लोग अब बात करेंगे कि ये different gases कौन कौन सी। So first gas in our atmosphere, and this is the major gas, which is nitrogen. Right? Next oxygen. Next carbon dioxide. Next hydrogen, helium, and so on. So on means there are also some other gases present in our atmosphere, but these are mainly gases present in our atmosphere, right? So as I told you, air is a mixture of different gases. So these are some different gases that makes air, right? So these are some different gases that makes a mixture. That mixture is called air. यही वो different gases हैं जो एक मिक्सचर आपस में बनाते हैं और उसी मिक्सचर को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एयर बोलते हैं। So I hope you got it what I have taught you just now, right? Air is a mixture of different gases. वायु जो है वो अलग अलग गैसों का क्या है? मिक्सचर है। It's not a single element. It's not a single element, but also it's a mixture of different gases, right? So now we will move ahead about the next point that we have to discuss, and that next point is wind. हम लोग अब बात करेंगे wind के बारे में, पवन के बारे में। Wind. Right? Now what do I mean by wind? Wind क्या है? Wind क्या है? So as you know that air doesn't stay at one place. it has tendency to flow from one place to another. एयर एक जगह कभी रुकता नहीं है. It has tendency to move from one place to another place. इसमें एक टेंडेंसी प्रवृत्ति होती है, बहने की प्रवृत्ति होती है, मूव करने की प्रवृत्ति होती है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. Right? It has tendency to move. It has property to move from one place to another place. And that properties of moving of air called wind. Right? तो मूविंग एयर को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? विंड बोलते हैं. सो मूविंग एयर is called wind. Moving air is called wind. बहती हुई हवा को हम लोग wind बोलते हैं. Right? And it has two types. There are two types of wind. Wind के भी दो प्रकार होते हैं. First one is called breeze and second one is called storm. So as you can see here, I have written here there are two types of wind, breeze and storm. So let's talk about breeze. Right? What is breeze? Breeze क्या है? So sometimes you must have observed that sometimes air moves gently, slowly, and sometimes it moves strong, very fast. Right? So according to this phenomena of air, right, wind, it is divided into two parts. These parts are breeze and storm. Right? So now we will talk about breeze. Breeze. What is breeze? So when air moves gently, slowly, so that type of wind is called breeze. Okay? So gentle, slow and gentle wind is called breeze. Slow and gentle wind is called breeze. धीरे से बहती हुई पवन को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? ब्रीज कहते हैं. धीरे से बहती हुई पवन को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? ब्रीज कहते हैं. Slow and gentle wind is called breeze. I hope you got it. Next, storm. What is storm? So just opposite of breeze, right? Strong and fast wind is called storm. तेज बहती हुई पवन को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? स्टॉर्म कहते हैं. तेज बहती हुई पवन को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? स्टॉर्म कहते हैं. So I taught you now slow and gentle wind is called breeze and strong and fast wind is called storm. Right? So I hope you got it. Next we have to talk about some properties of air. Right? अभी हम बात करेंगे कुछ एयर की प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में. So let's get started. Properties of air. Properties of air. So about this point we will talk about some properties of air. Right? So let's talk about the first properties of air. Air fills space. This one is the first property of air. Air fills space. कहने का मतलब कि एयर खाली जगहों को घेर लेती है, भर देती है, खाली जगहों को ऑक्युपाई कर लेती है. एयर ऑक्युपाइज स्पेस. right? Air occupies space. So to prove that, let's do an experiment, a small experiment, right? Whenever air is filled into a football, right? So the shape of football becomes round, right? Football becomes round in shape. जब हम लोग फुटबॉल में हवा भरते हैं तो फुटबॉल हवा भरने के बाद गोल हो जाती है. इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स इट शोज दैट एयर फिल्स द स्पेस इन द बास्केटबॉल, right? In the football, right? So now this is the first property, that air fills the space, air occupies the space. हवा जो है वो खाली स्थानों को क्या करती है? भर लेती है, right? Next property is air has weight. Air has weight. Air has weight. हवा में भी वजन होता है. हवा में भी वजन होता है. So to prove that, let's do a small experiment. You take one balloon, one empty balloon in your hand, right? You take empty balloon in your one hand, right? And a filled balloon with air in another hand, right? So you will observe that the filled balloon with air will be heavier than empty balloon, right? Take one empty balloon in your one hand and filled balloon with air in your another hand. So you will observe that the filled balloon with air will be heavier than empty balloon. So it proves that air has weight, right? एयर में ही वजन होता है. एक खाली बलून लो एक अपने एक हैंड में, एक दूसरा हवा से भरा हुआ बलून लो दूसरे हैंड में, तो उस समय तुम लोग ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि हवा से भरा हुआ बलून खाली बलून से थोड़ा भारी होगा. देन इट शोज दैट एयर हैज वेट, राइट? एयर क्या है? एयर के पास क्या है? वेट है. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, it can't be seen with eyes. इसको आंखों से नहीं देखा जा सकता. एयर can't be seen with eyes. आंखों से एयर को देखा नहीं जा सकता. But we can feel air. But we can feel air. Whenever air blows our hair, clothes, leaves of plant, so that time we can feel air, but it cannot be seen with eyes. हम हवा को देख नहीं सकते हैं, बस हम लोग फील कर पाते हैं. जब हवा पेड़ों की पत्तियों को हिलाती है, हमारे कपड़ों को हिलाती है, हमारे बालों को हिलाती है, so that time we can feel air, but it cannot be seen with eyes. We can't see air. एयर को हम लोग देख नहीं सकते. Right? So according to this chapter, we had only talked about three properties. Air fills the space, air has weight, it can be seen with eyes. Right? So according to this chapter, we had to study only about three properties of air. Right? So our next point is uses of air. But this lecture will be finished in our next video. Till then, you have to revise whatever I taught you and complete your assignment, right? And once again, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.